Hey guys, Charlani here. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 24. That means for you, it is Christmas Eve. Happy Merry Christmas. Now we will have a video tomorrow, but it's going to be a travel day. It'll be a Merry Christmas travel day for us because we are headed to California, but I wanted to just kind of bring it all together. Thank you so much for spending these last several weeks with me every single day. I appreciate you being here and showing up for me and encouraging us through what really could have been a really hard season for us with Rob's health and just things kind of got away. But I think we absolutely made the best of it, and having your support absolutely means the world to us. So thank you for that. Now, over these last few weeks, we have been slowly decorating this house. You know, we spent a whole lot of time decorating our Christmas village. So there are things that I might have added here and there, move things around, switch things up, or maybe you missed a vlog or two. So I am going to walk around and just share with you the ambiance that is our home for the holiday season. And again, thank you so very much for being here with me. And from our family to yours, Merry Christmas. And you know we've got to end it with adding coffee to the creamer. Cheers.
Cold outside, it tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind. I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland is the time of year. My winter wonderland, my winter wonderland. I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland.
Merry Christmas Eve. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow as we head to California.